Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday reiterated India's long-standing support for the Palestinian people while welcoming US President Donald Trump's Gaza peace plan, even as New Delhi chose not to participate in the launch of the proposed Board of Peace initiative. India stayed away from the January 22 ceremony held in Davos for the Trump-backed Board of Peace, which has been projected as a global peacemaking platform beginning with Gaza. The initiative has been viewed by some observers as an alternative to the European Union's diplomatic efforts in the region. Ahead of his expected visit to Israel later this month, Prime Minister Modi met the foreign ministers of the League of Arab States in New Delhi. During the meeting, he reaffirmed India's support for ongoing peace initiatives, including efforts aimed at ending the Gaza conflict, according to a statement issued by the Prime Minister's office. Modi also praised the Arab League's role in promoting peace and stability in the region. In a post on social media platform X, he said, "The Arab world is a part of India's extended neighborhood with a shared commitment to peace, progress, and stability." While India did not attend the Davos launch of the Board of Peace, New Delhi joined the European Union in welcoming United Nations Security Council resolution, which endorsed the creation of the proposed peace body.